The cord is a 2-wire 14-gauge cord. Power cords tend to receive lots of abuse. The cord can be cut, nicked, internally damaged, or have the prongs broken off. A damaged cord should be immediately replaced to avoid an electric shock. Replacing the cord is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the rear handle housing. Now remove the cord clamp. Now remove the cord wires from the switch, the white wire and the black. Now I can install the new cord. I'll transfer the cord protector from the old cord over to the new, and I'll strip back about 5/16 of insulation from each of the wires. I'll place the cord protector back into the housing and make sure that I have the outer cord jacket in the cord clamp. Then I'll replace the clamp. Now I'll reattach the wires to the switch. First the black wire, and then the white. Now I'll give the wires a twist and install the switch back into the housing. And now I'll reinstall the housing. And that's how you can replace your power tool's power cord. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.